Hey, you wanna make such video, right? I'm gonna tell you how in less than 2 minutes. So here, as you can see, we have two videos, one from the mountain and the sky, and another one which I'm walking in. First, add the first one as the main track, and then add the second one in overlay line. Select the second one, and from toolbar tap on remove background and then auto removal. So you can see there is just me in the second video and all others are gone. Now select the first video and duplicate it, and in toolbar tap on overlay so it goes down in timeline. Move it to the beginning of the timeline, select it, and from toolbar tap on remove background and then chroma key. Select the sky and increase the intensity a little bit so the sky has removed. Alright, now find the moment that I'm on the top of my jumping. Select the third video and split and delete the rest of it because we don't need it anymore. Add a keyframe on the second video, move the timeline a little bit backward and add another keyframe. Tap on the second keyframe and increase the size because when I'm jumping I'm getting near to the camera, so I should seem bigger. Now find the moment that I'm on the ground and increase the size. And that's all. To support me and my channel, please subscribe and like this video. Love you all and thanks for watching.